Hello mga ka-road! It's your street gay, Kalye! Dito ako. Ha? Ano ba?
Yan.
Hello mga ka-road! It's your street gay, Kalye! And welcome to my route. Okay, so for today's vlog, andito tayo ngayon sa Pioneer Woodland at nag-staycation tayo kasi malapit na mag-Valentine's. Bali, pre-Valentine's date namin to. Yes! And also, kasama namin si Hera! Baby, say hi to vlog! Ayan. So, kakadating lang namin kaninang mga 3:10, 3:05 pala. Tapos, kaka-check-in lang namin kaninang 3:20 kasi ang daming nangyari talaga as in like legit. Like, is this the kakanood kay Cesar? So, ngayon, wala kaming ginagawa. Manonood kami ng Mr. Beast. Mamaya itutur ko kayo dito sa condo. Tapos, maghahanap muna kami ng kakainin kasi mamaya pa yung food namin, 6:30, tapos midnight snack, tapos breakfast, tapos uwi na kami. So later guys, update ko kayo. Bye! So ngayon, pupunta kami sa SM DC Light Mall. Ayan. Para bumili ng food. Later na lang. Later! Mag-outfit check tayo. Ay, hindi na record!
Totoo ba?
Oo, ngayon ka pa nila. So mag-outfit check muna tayo bago tayo bumaba. Okay. Sobrang lapit ng mukha. So ngayon mag-outfit check muna tayo. Sige, hawakan mo na lang pa. Wow! So ngayon, mag-outfit check muna tayo bago tayo po. Yung kanya, syempre hindi siya papahuli. Goach! Hera! Bugs! So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa SM Light. Nagkanda dito pa kami bago makapunta. Pero sobrang bilis lang ng access niya sa from dun sa Woodland to SM Light. SM DC Light. So, bibili mo na kami ng ano? Or dami pa din. Hello guys, ang dami kayo. Maliit lang siyang mall. Sinalight. Mas maliwanag. Char. Tara, bibili mo na kami. First stop namin sa Frutas.
Mango apple. Magkano yung 149? Nasaan po?
Ito po. Apple. Hello, babe. Bili kami ng kakain namin ngayon, pero kakain na rin kami ng ngayon 6:30. Di ba?
149.
Yung food kasing dinala namin, for ano lang siya, for tomorrow morning. Tapos umorder kami ng for ngayong gabi. Naantok si Hera. Ano?
At least we have something else.
After neto, yung food na, tapos yung donut
Drinks mo.
yung tubig natin sa
Okay.
So,
Yun lang
bibili
naman,
ko
no?
ng digi. Ako bibili ng digi natin. Alam ko may promo. Second stop, Wendy's. December 18 since birthday ko is 18. Bibi, nanto ka?
Excited na siya sa buong. Tomorrow. So good. Next time, try na ako.
Gusto mo na yan? Ha? Gusto mo stuff.
Blue raspberry. Hindi pa.
Would you like? Kalaban ng would you mind? Last time. Tatry natin yung... Nakabalik na kami dito sa condo. Grabe namin ang video. Eh may ano pa kami, delivery pa kami mamayang 6:30. Just... So kakain muna kami. Update ko kayo. Kabiyak kayo po! So mga kalsaders, ito ang mga nabili namin sa SM DC Light. So, syempre ito yung una. Yung kay Bibi. Hindi ko na pagsunod-sunod. Tapos, bumili ko ng matcha na would you like. Tinry ko kahit di ko pa alam. Syempre bumili kami ng dessert. Crispy cream luna. Tapos, bumili kami ng ice cream. Ay, hindi kita. Ay, hindi pa. bumili ko ng, syempre, ng drinks namin later. Tapos, ito yung kakainin namin ngayon. And then, ito. Bumili kami ng another dessert, which is ice cream. So, kakain ako later. Wait lang, guys. Ayusin ko lang, ha? Sige ko lang. Ayusin ko lang. Binigyan mo na? Okay ka? Sobra! Paano natin ito ilalagay? Wait. Where should I put this one? Laki kasi ng tubig namin. Oh, wala tayong yelo. Paano natin ito anuhin? Hindi tatanggal ito. Ito sa kaya. Kasha! Okay.
Kami.
Siyempre mga ice cream na lagyan natin sa... Ang daming laman. May yelo pala eh! Ay, yung yelo ni Gunda siguro ito kanina. Tapos ito tatabi ko na. Ito pala po. I-cheer din. Ulog mong ate.
Oo nga. Huwag na gagamitin mo dapat?
Lalagay ko po.
Era.
I think you should sain na. So mga kalsaders, para kami disco. Gano'n. Ano to? Ba't may ganito? Ay, sa itlog. Para kaming lumipat ng bahay. So yan. Kakain na kami. pasok mo na yun. Hindi mo kailangan.
Kain na po kami, guys.
Baksan mo. Nanood kami ng ano? Mr. Beast. Tapos kakain na kami. Pag after neto sasayin para makakain.
I don't want to do anybody wrong. But you said pick who you trust. I did. But I have at least 3 people. Jim's got to do what he's got to do. I have 2 people that definitely don't fully trust me, and that's now liability for me and the rest of the game. Yeah. And they're
Kalyean na! Kalyean. So kakain kami.
shoot, man. It is the perfect captain for us.
Tikman muna natin to. Hoy, baka akin yan ah.
Yeah, even share.
Etong matcha nila. As a matcha lover. Matcha ng Would You Like. Ayan. Ganun ang packaging nila. I mean, it's not unique pero at least 'di ba? Yung iba kasi tumitigil sa ganito pero ito ang ganda niya.
I'm gonna take 250,000.
Ooh.
Wow, $250,000. Send in the guards. Guards, he has requested 250 grand.
Ano yung parang may matitira ulit? Para sa iba?
Pick 250. Why that number? I want to say true to my word, but at the end of the day, there's gonna be one winner of that, and I'm not hurting anybody doing what I'm doing right here. At some
Approve
point,
siya sa
you gotta
akin.
be a little bit greedy for yourself. I think I
As a matcha enthusiast. Wow! Sarap! I love it. It's giving. Wala ka na. Hello mga ka-road, it's your street geek, Kaya!
right here will change my life.
And welcome to my video. TikTok video. So, kakain tayo ngayon na.
I may have just opened up the
Asan ba?
floodgates for everybody. Who cares?
Ano na ba to? Asan yung ano ko? Ito yung isa.
Okay. He's a day one. Day hockey done. Oh, I'm telling you straight up what I did. Something beyond small. I play this game.
First bite. Kasi tayo dyan ha?
But I don't know, man.
Ano pa ba yun? Iba-iba ba ito?
Hindi.
Thinking about everything that it's taken to get here.
Pakagat na lang ako dyan, mamaya ko na ito.
I gotta go home. I gotta take care of myself.
Hindi na, wag na pala.
Katira ka na.
Hindi na.
Shut up, Nick. No, he did. You think I'm sitting here playing, bro? I could have taken the full million. After that tower you got, I was feeling about my family. I wasn't gonna do that to myself again, man. I mean, if that's true, you're next, dude. I'm choosing you, so you're going up there. You're gonna see.
Grabe, sobrang ano no, sobrang expensive ng
No.
setup niya, no? Production.
Digging up August. No way Nick takes more than his fair share, right? Let's go! Let's go. Going down.
Ano pong pwede kayo ganun?
If someone doesn't understand, and they don't understand,
Chicken yan.
I gotta figure it out for myself. There he is, August. You were the first person.
Hmm.
You're not that dude, man. Seriously. Man, when I knew I was blessed enough to be in this position, I took what is gonna help me when you see it.
Why you
And
always?
actually think about everything. Think about the game. Think about what you could do with that one. You don't have to leave in crumbs, but like you get yours, dude. Now that you're away from Nick, I need to know what you're thinking. I don't know if I believe it. What you knew he was gonna take more than his fair share. I mean, I believe mine too.
Second.
Obviously, I think this time here at Reach Game.
Tapos meron pang third pero mamaya ko na ito kakainin madaling araw.
You didn't really believe what Nick said,
Amoy na natin.
walk into the city
Ito.
gates. It's
Akin
me,
to eh.
it's you,
Bakit?
the rest of the city.
Yung parang kayo makain po nga tayo.
No freaking way. Guys, you have to see him. That's tough. Do you believe him now?
Dami na. Gutom tayo ah.
50-50, $1/4 of $1 million. You're in the same position as Nick. You can take it all, or you can take none. The only person who can make that decision is you. It's a lot to think about. It is. And so take your time.
Kasi din to si Mr. Beast eh, no? Nagagago eh.
And you're gonna have to decide
Gawin
how
naman
much
yun.
do you want to leave behind.
Diyan mo kasi makikita kung sino yung gahaman sa dyan.
I'm trying to think. Whatever you pick, we're gonna put in your cube that is labeled with your name, and no one else will go inside that cube but you. So what do you think, August? Are you going to follow the example of the captain that you voted for?
Then I have to start thinking about myself.
He took $250,000.
Hey, hayaan mo!
Eh, hindi kasi umaano eh.
Hayaan mo siya nag-explore eh.
Not only am I affecting the other players in the game, but I'm really affecting their families that I just met.
I want my boys to be just like him.
Ayaw niya kala ko magpangalawa eh.
Their families. What's $750,000 divided by 9?
$750,000 divided by 9.
Yeah.
$83,333. That is what, I guess, technically, your fair share of this money would be. Far
Kaso?
less than the $100,000.
Hindi mo masusunod yung iba yung susunod sa kanya.
Katulad yun yung nangyari nung nakaraan.
333. Do you want to visualize it?
Sure. 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16.
Eh, andyan yung mga kaibigan nun. Ni JC. Kumalit yung Maui yun ah.
This would be your fair share. And no one in the universe would fault you for taking it.
So guys, ngayon maglalaro kami ng PS4. Di ba PS4 yan? Ito siya. Yan. While Hera's sleeping pa yan. Ano na? X. Paano yung X? Sa baba? Napindot ko na. Layer 2. Ito dapat ata eh.
Ito na yun.
This one. So mga kalsaders. So mga kalsaders, ayan nag-i-start na. Nalaglag yung cursor. Cursor ba tag dito? Ay, joystick. Controller pala. Baby, excuse me, papatayin ko yung ano. Wait lang nga. Go there, go tatay.
Kasi tayo.
Can I
Ikaw.
go play in my room?
Takes no time.
Galit show. Ay, tagal.
Takes 3 kasama si Henry.
Let's get it on! Ang dami namang ano, intro.
Gagi, hindi nga natin alam yung story.
Ayaw mo
Ayun
na.
na. Let's figure it out. Yo, lakad ka.
How do we get up there?
Ay, baliktad
The stairs over there. But we can't reach them. We're tiny.
Sa kaliwa.
Let's find a way.
Dash. Uy, saan ka pupunta?
Saan ba?
Ang papa.
Akyat tayo.
Ba't dito tayo pupunta?
Saan ba? Hey! Uy, text to daw.
Come help me pull this down.
Tignan mo. Di marunong mag-take ng ano. Oh! The best!
Hey, what's going on. We can't lower that staircase without those fuses.
Those fuses? They just ran away. I mean, did you see them with their little fuse legs?
Worry about that later. Let's just bring them back.
Hey, my body feels weird.
Because you're made of clay? Keep your eyes on the fuses.
Hey, don't you feel weird? I mean, made of wood?
A bit stiff,
Same here.
but it's getting better the more I move.
I hope so.
Cody, will you please focus?
All right. Let's get those fuses. Oh, it's trapped. Let's get it out of there.
Hindi kailangan mo.
Slippery fella, huh?
Ala, namatay! Double jump. Tapos forward, B. Ako muna. Hey Siri,
I don't like this sound.
stop videoing. Turn off the cell phone. Sabi mo nga.
Hey Siri, stop the camera.
Turn off.
Hey Siri, turn off my phone.
Hey Siri, lock the phone. It's not stopping. Ito, hoy! Full charge na siya. Ang hirap!
Paano go? Double jump. Jump.
Sige, ikaw muna.
Jump.
Ako yun na yung isa. Ito. Uy, battery low pa.
Lapit na.
Stop na. Nalobat yung PS4. So ngayon, muna kami. Uy! Tingnan mo yun, oh. Support muna kami kay Minty Fresh. Drag Race. RuPaul's Drag Race. Ay, UK versus the world.
Oh, look how beautiful your roof
Go Minty! We love you so much!
earned that bid. Okay, so I see a big sit. And are you two
Malapit na yung food namin, mga kalsaders.
okay?
So mga kalsaders, update. Dumating na yung food! Oh my God, and nakaligo na rin kami. Ito siya. Ang mahiwagang chicken. First time namin siyang itatry. So ngayon, nakapag-picture na kami for our pre-Valentine's Day. Tapos, kakain na kami. Dinner time! Kain muna kami. Bye-bye.
Live Park, Saskatoon, California. For tickets, call 306-262-3571. May 16th, Saturday, Massey Theater.
How was it?
Vancouver. For tickets, call 514-849-0237.
Sarap, diba?
Thanks, but
Sabay-sabay. Kaya excited kami talaga.
Kaya nga nagulat ako kasi hindi na tayo basta magkakapatid.
Oh, pagkakumpare. Kumpare.
Diba?
Hindi ko lang tutawag ko sa'yo. Kuy yung pa.
Good morning mga kalasaders. So ngayon, ano oras na ba? Alas 9 na ata. Bali magbe-breakfast na kami. Tapos mamayang mga 12 is check out na. Hindi ko na kayo na-tour kahapon. Kaya mamaya na lang pagkatapos namin maligo. So ngayon, eto, magbe-breakfast muna kami. Breakfast. Tapos, later na lang. Hindi ako nakatulog. Pero masaya naman siya. Air.